So hypnotizing, temperature rising. Fuck being private. I know you see my body moving like a snake, moving like a snake, moving like a snake. I know you see my body moving like a snake, moving like a snake, moving like a snake.
She looking right in them tights, she got nothing underneath. Soon as I catch a vibe, I'ma put that ass to sleep. Or fly to Mumbai for some tandoori. Next to line with the spice, looking good enough to eat. Come put that thing on me. Even in the bay, and she still on beat. She screaming, Jai, no please. Even when she scream, she still on key.
So hypnotizing.